Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I have a special casting from Bburago, which is Porsche 911 GT2 RS. Actually it is one of the very first Porsche from Bburago, and I'm really excited to unbox this. So are you guys with me? So let's unbox this Bburago casting. Let's unbox. So as you can see here, this is the box of Bburago, and the logo is here Bburago, and the name is written here Porsche 911 G2S RS. So yes, as you can see here, it is the same material of Bburago casting packages, and the logo is like something here. And I am already fan of this casting. As you can see here, the picture of his the orange and black color. I do have lots of Porsche casting, but this is the very first casting from Bburago. So yes, I am pretty much excited, and the packaging is very good. And as you can see here, it is made of little cardboard or paper like material. So yes, the packaging is very good. So let's unbox this and see what it is inside. So let's unbox. The clip is yes. So here we are going to unbox this. Okay, and come out. Here it is. Wow, just look at the casting here. I'm already fan of it. Sorry. So yes, the die cast is here. Just wow, look at the casting. It is totally worthy, if you ask me. Just see here the Porsche. I think you guys are able to see it. Let me zoom it. Yes, this is the Porsche logo is here, and the cast is just look at this. The carbon finish structure and the color is so good and so natural. It is looking almost original. Just look at the casting here. And the most fantastic part is that the door, you can see the door is opening, and yes, both of the door, I believe. Just let me yes, see the door, it is actually openable door. See, and people are searching Hot Wheels around. They are already buying around 500 or 600. I believe they are wasting their money. If you have actually money around 600 or 700 or 500, you should go at Bburago instead of Hot Wheels. Just look at the casting, the details, the number plate and everything. The backlight, as you can see here, the backlight is so good, and the front light also is I believe it is acrylic material instead of normal plastic. And the glass, the detailing, everything is so detailed. I believe Hot Wheels is, especially the mainline Hot Wheels, are nothing compared to this Bburago castings. Okay, so yes, trust me on this. If you are really car lover or collector or YouTuber, whatever you are, I believe if you have money, go for Bburago instead of Hot Wheels. Because see, mainline Hot Wheels are around 179 to 200, or maybe 250 is worthy, but not more than this. Okay, if you have money, I again recommending you, please go with Bburago Mini GT or Majorette, whenever, whatever the thing is. But please, if you have money, go with the premium models instead of normal mainline Hot Wheels. Now coming to the video again, if you want me to rate this diecast, I will rate around 9.2 or 3 out of 10, because just look at the finishing, details, the structure, and especially the main part which I love. This casting have openable door. Okay, and what can you ask around 600 in 600? Yes, it is very good casting. So because of that reason, I am giving this around 9.2 instead of 10, because some mark I am cutting off, because I have a lot of good casting from Bburago also, which I will maybe I will review in my previous videos or upcoming videos. I have already planned some videos already. So yes, go check out my previous Bburago castings videos also, and let me know if you guys love this video. And by doing this, I will wrapping up my video. Thumbs up.